Dash cams can be a lifesaver or a wallet saver, as it can record all that's happening around you. There's a lot of models out there, and choosing one is not easy. Here's the 5 best out there. At number 5, we have the F170 dash cam. It captures full video in HD 1920 by 1080 resolution and has a super wide angle of 170 degrees. You can attach it to your windshield with the supplied suction cup, and it will begin recording to an included 32 gigabytes SD card as soon as the car starts to move. Just set different loop recording intervals, and when the SD card reaches capacity, the oldest loop will simply get overwritten. You can also set the F170 to start recording in motion detection when the car's parked. The photo mode captures HD photos, and it's very helpful if there's an accident and pictures are needed. Number 4 is the Garmin Dashcam 35. This dash cam includes GPS, so any footage that's recorded includes the location, direction, speed, date, and time. It also has a G sensor that can detect collisions and will automatically save to the current, last, and next recording. It can even be used as a standalone camera if you need to take photos of damaged or want to capture the scenery. The Dashcam 35 captures video in either 1080p or 720p and records in a continuous loop. The footage is recorded to the included 4GB micro SD card, but can also accept cards up to 64 GBs. The product includes a forward collision alert if you're tailgating at high speeds. Taking number 3 is the WreckSach wide-angle dashboard camera. It has a wide dynamic range that automatically adjusts camera settings to create a vivid image in any atmosphere. The wide-angle lens allows more video to be captured and more data to be stored. The G sensor detects a collision and locks the videos on file, so your footage is saved in all important events. Loop recording enables users to optimize their data by having the newest video overwrite in a sequence with 3, 5, or 10-minute intervals. Its lightweight design ensures the safety, as it's not desirable to have something heavy on the windshield. It can support up to 128 gigabytes on a card. The OldShark 1080p takes number 2. It features broad 170-degree fields of view and captures clear, sharp 1080p at 30 FPS videos. Built in IR light, it produces outstanding night video quality. It has an array of considerate features that helps get you the most out of your car DVR with minimum effort, like auto on and off with your car, auto loop when the memory's full, and G sensor functions that locks and override protects video recorded in the event of strong movements or crashes. You can view the video on the 3.0 LCD screen or output it to your TV by HDMI to share with friends. It supports HDMI and USB for video transmission to computers or other high-definition TVs. The best dash cam in the market is the Z-Edge Z3. It offers video resolution up to 2304 by 1296 at 30 FPS or 2560 by 1080 at 30 FPS. The footage is recorded at top data rates of 17.7 Mbits to micro SD. The supplied 32 GB module will be sufficient for 241 minutes of footage before the recording loops, overriding the oldest files with new ones. The Z3 does not come with any kind of quick release mount. The dashcam itself sports a standard size screw hole on the top, with the reasonably sized windscreen suction mount screwing into this. The Z3 can also take photos at a maximum resolution of 13 megapixels.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!